Question number 27. F of x is equal to x minus 2 times x plus 15. The function f is defined by the given equation. For what value of x does f of x reach its minimum? The value of x for which f of x reaches its minimum can be found by rewriting the given equation in the form. So what form we have to write? We have to write it in f of x is equal to x minus h square plus k, vertex form of the parabola, where f of x reaches its minimum k when the value of x is h. So the h comma k which we get, that is the vertex. So the minimum will be at the vertex if it's an upward facing parabola. So now we will take this equation and expand it first, so that we are trying to put it in this form, vertex form of the equation. So after expanding, what we will get? We have to multiply first x with both the terms and negative 2 with both the terms. So we will have x square plus 15x minus 2x minus 30. Let's combine these two. X square plus 13x minus 30. So to complete the square, f of x should be equal to x square plus 13x, and this 13 you have to divide by 2 and square it and add it. So if you add, you have to balance that by subtracting it as well. So to balance it, 13 by 2 the whole squared has to be subtracted as well. What is this equivalent to? Now these three together will be just x plus 13 by 2 the whole squared, and then this negative 30 minus 13 by 2 the whole square. This you have to simplify. So minus 30 by 1 minus 13, if you square it, you will have 169 divided by 4. To combine these two, we need a common denominator. So negative 120 minus 169, that gets combined, and you will be left with minus 289 by 4. This part we are combining over here, only this minus 30 and this minus 13 by 2 square. We are basically adding those two negative terms. And so we are left with minus 289 divided by 4. So that means that f of x reaches its minimum when x is equal to minus 13 by 2. Now let us compare it to x minus h square plus k. If you compare it, because we have a minus h, that means the x or the vertex, the f of x reaches its minimum when the value of x is minus 13 by 2, because in the vertex form we have x minus h the whole square, whereas here we got plus 13 by 2, which means we have to take the negative of it. So that means the minimum it will reach at this point when x is equal to minus 13 by 2, and this can be also given in decimal form as negative 6.5. Either you can grid in minus 13 by 2 or minus 6.5. So supposing you graph it using a Desmos calculator, you can see it's a U-shaped or upward facing graph, and then you can observe the vertex. The vertex x coordinate is minus 6.5 and y coordinate is minus 72.25. However, we just need the value of x for which f of x reaches its minimum. So we just have to look at the x term, which is minus 6.5. So using this graphing calculator also you can detect the answer, and that too it's quite fast. So I hope that's clear.